I'm Roland, here at STEINWAY Lyngdorf in Denmark, creators of finest loudspeakers and AV processors. So what do we do? Well, imagine this. Directors and actors spend millions and half a year of creating the finest movies. And then sound engineers spend months on getting the sound effects just right and the music. And then it's a small tweeter in your system that has to recreate reality. Or you ask a woofer to reproduce seismic explosions in your home cinema. And then you also want that loudspeaker looks very nice. And that's what we do here at STEINWAY Lyngdorf. And thanks to Atif for bringing that to you. And also thanks to Atif for running this really interesting Q&A series.